How to fix Instagram suspended. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. If your Instagram is suspended, you'll find email like this in your Gmail. As you can see, your Instagram has been suspended. This is because your account or activity on it doesn't follow our community guidelines. So make sure you see what community guidelines you have breaked. Or as you can see, you can review details. If you don't take action, your account will be permanently disabled. Click on review details, which will open all these options. You can simply verify it's you or you have not done that, and then Instagram will get back to you and fix your account. This is how to fix Instagram suspended. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.